Hello Virgos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And as it's a general reading, so won't be resonating with each and every one of you. So let's see what's there for Virgos. Okay, the Tower on your side, on your person side. The Ace of Swords. What is this combination? Most likely outcome. The Two of Cups. What is this, Virgos? On your side, we have the Tower, which is something unexpected. Good or bad, I'll have to see when I take the clarifiers, but definitely something unexpected has happened. On your person's side, they want a new beginning. They have the clarity, the zest of beginning this new relationship. And the most likely outcome is the Two of Cups. So obviously it is a balanced relationship, it is love, it is a beautiful connection. So let's see how the reading progresses. Why is this Tower here for? Okay, so we have the Knight of Swords here, the Ten of Cups, and the Hangman. Okay. Why is this Ace of Swords here for? The Wheel of Fortune, the Ten of Swords, and the Six of Cups. Okay. You see, where is this Two of Cups here for? Okay, Seven of Cups, the World, the Justice. Okay. So what I feel here is, with the Knight of Swords, the Ten of Cups, and the Hangman, something has come to a standstill over here. Perhaps in this relationship, there was a beautiful relationship. The Tower itself is because of something which has come to a standstill. Okay, it's stuck. So I think things were going fine in this relationship, and then something happened which was unexpected, and because of this relationship has become stagnant or stuck. Okay, and what I feel here is, with the Knight of Swords, somebody is moving very passionately towards something else. They are in a great hurry to pursue something else, whatever this something is for them, and they're very passionate about it. And because of this pursuit of whatever they find they need, whatever more attractive they find, I'm not saying it's a person, it can be a work, it can be any other project, it can be any damn thing. So there is something which the other person needs to focus on, basically. I would like to put it that way. Okay, somebody here needs to focus on something else, and there is some sort of urgency in that call. Okay, and because of this, this relationship has come to a standstill. So this person is focusing on something else, and that is the need of the hour. Perhaps it can be the need of the hour, and that is what at least they feel it is the need of the hour. They feel that is more important, and because of this relationship is being compromised and it is stuck. And this has come as a Tower, an unexpected realization for you at what has happened, sort of. Okay. And here on your person's side, I think things are stuck on your part. You are not making a move. Things are just as this person left them. That's what I feel. And here with the 10 of wheels, the 10 of swords and the 6 of cups, I think now this person things are moving. Things are moving. This person is done. See, the energies can be the mix of both also, because here this is the energy of the other person, because it's coming on your side, because it has affected you, because this person has rushed in towards something else or someone else, whatever the thing was. And here now, since now this person is ready for a new beginning with the 6 of cups, they are coming to meet you, reconciling with you, and they are done with whatever it was. So things are moving now. Things are moving now. They have gained the clarity as to what it is, what they want. They are done with whatever they were dealing with. Okay, and they are now ready to reconcile with you or meet you. Something like that. Now they are done with it. Whatever this thing was which had stuck this relationship and which had caught their attention, that they moved away from you, whatever it was. And here there's a mutual outcome is the 2 of cups. So it is obviously a balanced and a beautiful relationship. For this we have the 7 of cups, the world and the justice. So again what I feel here is that this was some sort of confusion. Things they were multitasking. There were many things going on in their mind. They were dealing with many things perhaps. And now since they are reconciling with you, they are coming back to you. They have dealt with whatever was keeping them busy. You're balancing the things. You're entering into a new world. You're feeling pretty happy about it, both of you. The life is getting balanced. Things are getting balanced. Justice is being served over here. That is what I feel, Virgos. So I think it is something. There is a big reconciliation over here. Maybe there was some time lapse also. With the hangman, things were stuck for a pretty long time. Let me see if I have something else also. Yes, with the hermit, the 6 of wands, the queen of pentacles. So somebody here is in recluse. They're taking the time off, spending time alone, trying to sort out the answers. And with the 6 of wands and the queen of pentacles, what I feel here is that things are being sorted out. It is celebrations, it is happiness, it is victory. And queen of pentacles regaining that stability, regaining that control, rejuvenating, being happy, being in control of your life. So I think things are getting sorted out over here. See what is the guidance from the angels or message from the universe for Virgos. Number 19, or express love through gifts. So this is coming as a message that you need to express the love now, because things have been stuck, things have been in a hangman position. Perhaps now you need to I should say you need to convince the other person that you still love them, you still are there for them. And for that it will obviously take some sort of an effort, because this person has been waiting for you since a pretty long time. So this is, you need to express your love, you need to make them understand, you need to give them some time, you need to give them your attention, and you need to show them that you really love them. So Virgos, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's meet in the next video. Bye.